It's just worth mentioning fittings. While I'm in the systems phase of this boat, there's a lot of different types of fittings that you end up dealing with when you put a boat together. And pipe thread is probably, one of the most common that everybody's familiar with. And pipe thread means this little close nipple actually gets fatter as it goes up. It's a little bit narrower down here at the beginning, and it grows fatter as it goes in. So when you screw it into something, it tightens. It gets tighter. And on pipe thread, you always want to use some Teflon tape or some Teflon goop or both, which is what I normally do. Use both. So that's pipe thread. But then there's O-ring fittings, and that thread is straight, and there's an O-ring obviously at the base of it that makes the seal. Then there are JIC fittings that have this tapered end on them, and the other end has a taper, so that makes a seal. And then there's the swivel fittings like this, and even though this is pipe thread, that swivel has a tapered end in it there that will fit in here and make a seal. So none of these, the O-ring, the JIC, nor these swivel fittings need, nor do they want Teflon tape or Teflon goop or anything put on those threads. You'll make a leak by putting anything on those type of threads. You just want to use the tape on pipe